Immune boosting lemon iced tea. What I love about medical medium information, it's about taking what you already have, something so powerful like the Total Immune on its own, and then making something with it and taking it to another level for your immune system. Because you already know lemons are great for flushing out toxins, the lemon water flushing out the liver. Let's go with this, okay? 1 cup of water. Let's get some fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna cut a lemon. Let's get some lemon in here. You can do like roughly a tablespoon. Let's get a little bit of raw honey. You can go a little crazy if you want. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon. All right. 2 dropperfuls of Total Immune right there. I might do a little more. Total Immune blend. Thyme, mullein, and zinc sulfate. Trifecta. And that's what I like to do. Bring the Total Immune to your doctor. Ask your doctor what's right for you and what you can do. Just love the way that tastes. So I'm going to be putting some ice in here. I'm going to put a little bit more because I want it nice and icy. Okay. Got a lemon. Get some slices. You can make them thinner. You can make them thicker. And then I'm going to cut this. Put this right on the edge there. And I am impressed actually because it looks really good. Oh, that's so good. This is a weapon for healing. There's the Total Immune blend right there. You guys know I endorse Vimergy, my favorite company. And that's an immune boosting lemon iced tea.
Природник е официален и ексклузивен дистрибутор на Vimergy за България, Гърция и Румъния. Всички препоръчани от Антони Уилям хранителни добавки на Vimergy можете да откриете на природник.com. Природник е носител на наградата Дистрибутор на годината от Международната конференция на Vimergy 2025